Hello friends, today's project is quiz competition for 8 teams. Using this simple circuit, you can create a buzzer system for 8 teams in a quiz competition. All the 8 teams will have a button to press the buzzer. With the help of the circuit, you can find out which team has pressed the buzzer first. Let us take a look at the component list to develop this project. You can see the complete part list for the circuit on the screen. An octal latch is created with the help of IC 74LS373 priority encoder. Octal latch is the heart of the circuit. This circuit will help you track which team has pressed the buzzer first. An LM7805 5V voltage regulator IC to get a power supply of 5 volts. If you are using a separate power supply to power up the circuit, you don't need this regulator IC. Two 2N2219 NPN transistors for latch circuit and blow the buzzer when a button is pressed. 8 5M LEDs to represent which team has pressed the button first. The LED, respective to the team pressing the button first, will glow. 8 push buttons, each button for one team. Apart from this, some resistors and capacitors are required. Let us take a look at the circuit now. You can see the circuit diagram on the screen. This completes the power supply. If you are using an external power supply, you can skip this portion of the circuit. In the diagram, you can see 8 buttons, 8 LEDs and a buzzer. Each button and each LED for a team and a buzzer blows if the team presses the button. For the demonstration purpose, we have only connected 3 buttons and 3 LEDs. We have also not connected the buzzer. Pin 11 of the priority encoder IC is latch enabled. This pin is very important for the circuit. A transistor is connected to this pin. When a team presses the buzzer, the corresponding LED glows and the transistor enables the particular pin. Now if any other team presses the button, LED will not glow and buzzer will not blow as the circuit is disabled now. Let us see the demonstration now. This is the prototype of the circuit. Connect power supply to the circuit. I have connected 3 buttons and 3 corresponding LEDs. I will press a button randomly. See, I have pressed the first button and first LED is glowing. A buzzer will also blow, but I have not connected the buzzer for testing. To turn off this LED, reset the circuit by disconnecting the power supply. Similarly, I have pressed some other button. Let us say this button. The corresponding LED is glowing. This is all about this project. We hope you liked it. Do implement this project at home and let us know your experience. Thank you. This is all about this project. We hope you liked it. Do implement this project at home and let us know your experience. Thank you.